We are Titanz Plumbing and Air Conditioning.
So one of the most common things to do to a water heater to properly maintain it is flush your water heater. It's a very simple process. You want to make sure you hook your female end of your hose up to the bottom. That's going to start flushing water out of the bottom. You're just going to let that water cycle through and out the bottom because you never really use the bottom section of the heater, all that water. You typically only use half to 3/4 of it. So you want to let all that stuff on the bottom that's just sitting down there flush out so that way the bottom of it doesn't rust out. It's continuing to just sit on the bottom and rust through. Obviously, that's how you're going to have leaks. Come home, you got a flooded garage. It's a bad day. So just flushing your water heater is going to really make it last a lot longer. You really want to do that about every 6 months to a year, depending on where you're at. Always recommend having a filter on your house. That will absolutely help the life of a water heater, or for that matter, any fixture in your house. So flush your water heater 6 months to a year. For instance, this is a Rheem water heater that was put in 2015, so 7 years ago from about today. It's already starting to have issues. Rheem has a water heater that has been properly maintained for 26 years. Properly maintain your water heater by flushing it. Possibly have to change an element or a thermostat, that's okay. But the actual tank itself can last for what I've seen is 30 years.
Have a plumbing emergency? Our highly rated team of customer service professionals are standing by 24 hours a day. So call Team Titanz at 941-875-9669 or visit calltitanz.com for all your service needs.